So, yan guys, 4th game tayo. So, first game natin win, second game lose, third game win. So, 2-1. Ano, kaya mem ka? O di, magkasama tayo.
Your team is banning.
Ano man? Katabain kita.
Your team is banning.
Hindi na bumubukas hal. Hindi na bumubukas.
The enemy is picking.
Nakaganyan lang siya.
It's my way or the
Please pick a
highway.
hero.
Smelling good powder in the morning.
Diniinan ko dito. Sa gilid para bumukas. Hindi na siya bumubukas. Ganyan lang siya.
Even the strongest of currents
The
fail to
enemy is
tame me.
picking.
Bane ulit.
Experience the euphony of suffering.
So, ayan. Kaya mo yan. May tiwala ako sa'yo.
So,
Mahirap yung
who's
gano'n
next?
lang yun, ah.
Your team is
So, guys,
picking.
pasensya na kayo sa mga naririnig yung usapan namin. Pero wala namang bastos doon. Ano ba alam mong MM?
The hunt begins. Here comes the blazing gun
The
of
enemy is
justice.
picking.
Okay lang yan. Ako nga.
Among the planes exists the equilibrium, which I was
pag di
made
ako,
for.
Pag di ako tank.
Let's hear from the crowd.
Pili.
Make some
Your
noise for
team
yours
is ticking.
truly.
So, ang katapat ko,
Tignan mo yung ano nila, yung mage nila, si Eve. Di ba dati nag-iiba ka? Ay, naabutan mo ba kasi?
wala silang tank. Oo, di ba? Wala silang tank. Ay, sis, ha?
Si Sam.
Saan magtatang? Wala to. Lambot ko lang yun.
The southern seas are my domain.
Si, ano?
Pag yung ginamit niya na build, yung mga ginagamit mong build.
Pero tignan natin. Sana kaya ko. Nagiging 3 kasi ito eh. Ayan guys, mabigot-bigot. Uy, Ruby ah. May ganda ng skin ni Bane, no? So, yan, may expert. Uy, magandang laban to. Lahat pala tayo may expert badge eh. Oh, ba't may expert badge kang Layla mo? May expert badge.
Eh kasi diba yung pinakaunang hero?
Layla.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops
Mabuti
deployed.
na siya.
I love this. You smell that? It's gold.
Kaya ka dito. Ang kaba, ang tagal mo.
Ah, gano'n. Alas tayo ng skin, ano?
Hindi mo para siya magtatay. Halika
Everything's
na, nak.
on the table if you got enough gold.
Okay, ano, blazing, ano din. Uy, ayun, yung 3 na agad. 3 agad? Teka lang, masakit po.
Gold is everything.
Initiate retreat.
Kung marunong, masakit. Diba? Pero pag di marunong, wala.
What's your life worth?
Kakabad trip. Ito kalaban natin. Sige, isa yan. Taba ka. Man, sakit nga.
Nag-i-slow pa.
Pero alam ko pag hindi ito tumaba, malambot eh.
Launch attack! Double kill! Request backup! Initiate retreat!
Sige. Teka lang yung turtle. Loko-loko.
Attack the turtle! Request backup!
Kaya niyo na ba dyan? Sige kami na
Request
dito.
backup!
Okay. Baka mapatay. Ano naman?
Killing spree!
Sino nakapatay sa'yo, si Eve? Kailangan ko nang bumaba.
Enemy missing!
Sorry Hal, iniiwan kita. Sana hindi na ako aalis. Ay, sorry.
Hindi ako mag-level call.
My bad.
Hindi ko maikulit. Kahit katang.
My bad.
I'ma squeeze him for every last
Oh, yan na.
cent.
Sige na. Sorry. O nga pala, ikaw ang kailangang alagaan, hindi ako. Yeesh.
Launch attack!
Tara. Magic ka pa nalalaman, Arns. Yung ano, patay natin to nga, yung Iksha.
Attack the
Ikot ako
turtle!
ha. Dito na kami.
Request backup!
Huli ka.
Everything.
Attack the turtle!
Turtle? Kaya ba nakakuha ng turtle? Hindi, no?
Request backup!
Nung una, oo, kalaban.
Slain the turtle! Ally has been slain.
Sige, una ako.
You look like a burnt toast.
Flicker kagat. Wala nga akong flicker eh. Ano sabi mo dyan?
Only
Parang
penniless
naipit.
fools think greed is a fad.
Sige.
Ally has been slain. Mega kill!
Tara, paluan tayo sa...
I don't give a damn about anybody else.
Ay, gabi. Sorry. Sorry, hindi pala pwede. Sa'yo pala yun. Teka.
Launch
What's
attack!
your life worth?
Patay yung sun, no?
Launch attack!
Patay nga. Ito naman. Kanina pa to eh. Hindi mapatay-patay eh.
Launch attack!
Ulit ka. Pwede na naman tayo. Sorry. Ano lang ang
been destroyed.
Yun lang, nakapusli. Patay na rin yan. Patay na rin yan. Papunta sa Granger, ah. Punta sa Granger.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Tara, Mido, push. No, uto-uto.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
I'm low on HP.
Tag mo na. Okay. Teka, yung MM ko, nasa na? Yan, halika. Naku, baka na.
Initiate retreat.
Ay, mali ako na ruta.
Team destroyed. The turtle has been slain.
Wrong move. So, tara, ito, patay natin. Hindi ko lalasa ka na. Boss, paano yan, boss? Uy. Boss, huwag ka dyan, boss. Dalawa yan, boss. Patay ka dyan.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed the turtle.
Ayan, patay ka. Bye.
Spree.
Sabi sa'yo eh, hindi makakapalagyan ko. Hindi kasi yan
Our
yung
turret is
natural
under
yung ano eh.
attack. Take
O
down
depende
the
talaga
Lord.
sa gumagamit, no?
Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
O tayo dyan.
Launch attack. We're ahead in gold. Initiate retreat. Initiate
Ito,
our
naglulog,
turret is
oh.
under attack.
Wag.
Initiate retreat.
Sige, ano.
Ult is not ready. Request backup.
Kala nyo ah. Uy, tara Clash oh. Ah, dyan.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Kaya nakapatay. Ay,
Ally
ano.
has slain Lord. Launch attack. Our turret is under attack.
Sabi ng tower na.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Get off my property! You're my golden ticket! Gotta spend money.
Tiras tayo.
Everything.
No. Gipit tayo dyan,
Launch
Bing.
attack.
Tayo sa mid.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Ah, dito pa mo. Ah, ang dakot ng Granger. Grabe.
Initiate retreat.
Minsan, oh, nagsusod.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Okay, wala nang kawalayan.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Bane. So, mapatayin natin yan. Fake siya. Dito.
Our turret is under attack.
Teka. Teka.
Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Mega kill.
Patayan kay Bane.
Double kill. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Are you going to grab?
Pinsan eh.
Take down the Lord.
Nawala. Uy.
Initiate retreat.
Forceful business.
Take down the Lord. Take down the Lord. Initiate retreat.
Oh, back na, back.
Retreat the Lord! Gather on the Lord!
Are you gold or grab?
Hintay tayo sa Lord, ah.
Initiate retreat.
Opo, wait lang po. Pangatin muna, Lord.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Superb control!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat.
You look like a burnt boot. Never lose sight of your money.
Nadala na ako sa ganyan eh, yung pupuslit. Lamang na lamang. Ay, naku po.
Initiate
Patay
retreat.
dyan. Patay ka dyan.
Ally has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Living.
Mahal pala na ito, 1.6.
Okay.
I'ma squeeze him for everything.
Turret is under attack. Monster kill.
Solo kill!
Only pitiless fools think greed is a bad thing. Everything's on the table if you got enough gold.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Rasan. Bigyan no. Di siya yun. Ayun. Lord. Gather at the Lord. Hindi rin makakalapit mga brad. Hindi rin makakalapit.
Gotta spend money to make money. Gold is everything. look like a burnt boot.
Wag! Ay, pinasok niya.
Initiate retreat.
Toby, no?
Request backup.
Tara.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Tara, Lord, oh.
Understood.
Wala, dyan na kami. Wala, sige. Pwede mo na tayo. Op, yung MM ko.
Request backup.
Patay yung Bane.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Get off my property.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Pero,
Launch attack. Double kill. Launch attack.
tapos na.
Launch attack.
Wala tayong minions. Nice one. Ang galing naman naman. Galing niya hero pero. So ayun guys, fourth game, panalo. Ayan guys, MVP ulit tayo. Ayan. So, first game guys, panalo. Second game, talo. Third and fourth game, panalo.